Hi, I'm Nancy Burgess of Nancy Burgess Strategic Marketing, and I have a gift for you this holiday season. I wanted to offer you a tip. I've been hearing a lot from the experts on search engine optimization that one of the big things that you need to look at this year, coming 2019, is your Google My Business pages. If you're not already doing it, begin posting. That's my tip for you, all you small business owners. I think you'll find with 40,000 search queries every second on Google, Google is the king that dominates with 91% control over all search that's done on the internet. And therefore, you could really capitalize on some of that by posting on your Google My Business page every single week. Now, if you don't do that already, feel free to reach out to me and I can help you with that. And I'd be happy to do that. I also have a free tool that you can use. If you go to my website and you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, you'll see in this green box an SEO report tool. So if you have a website and you're kind of wondering how it's doing, feel free to fill that out, and that's another one of my gifts to you. So I just want to wish you all a very happy and blessed holiday season and a wonderful, wonderful 2019.